Confirm the gate is installed for inward swing and operates smoothly. Place the two fixing brackets along the edges of the folding gate leaves. The long bracket on the main leaf, the short bracket on the secondary leaf. Mark all screw hole positions for both brackets. Drill holes at all marked positions. Secure the brackets with screws. Begin installing the pivot assembly. Loosen the screws on the slider block. Align the metal slider block with the edge of the gate leaf. Install the nylon slider block and the connecting plate in sequence. Then tighten the nuts. Position the fixed base so its threaded rod holes are level. Connect the fixed base to the pull rod. Also install the fixing pin to the other end of the pull rod. Fully open the gate. Place one end of the pull rod on the pivot assembly. Position the fixed base against the wall. Rotate the pull rod clockwise to extend it until the fixed base contacts the wall surface. Tighten the nuts at both ends. Fully close the gate. Place a spirit level. First mark the vertical position. Then mark the screw holes. You may partially tighten the expansion bolts before final installation. Drill holes, install the screws, and tighten them fully. Reattach the pull rod. Install the fixing pin. At this point, the secondary leaf does not close completely. Loosen the nuts at both ends and rotate the pull rod counterclockwise. Now the secondary leaf closes completely. Open the gate again. The angle between the secondary leaf and the main leaf is too wide. Lift the pull rod and rotate the threaded rod of the fixed base counterclockwise. Reinstall the pull rod. The distance between the main leaf and the secondary leaf is now reduced. Install the U-clip and bend it into place. Tighten the nuts at both ends of the pull rod. Loosen the nuts to install the decorative cover, then retighten them. Lift the pull rod and install the decorative cover. Manually open and close the gate, to ensure no further adjustment is needed. Install the rubber stop block at the meeting point, between the main and secondary gate leaves. Mark its position on the main leaf. Drill a hole at the center mark. Use a rivet gun for installation. Insert the screw into the rubber block and tighten. The installed result should be firm. Loosen the screw on the guide wheel. Install the guide wheel beneath the secondary leaf. Mark, drill, and install its mounting screws. Secure the guide wheel according to the actual ground conditions. Repeat for the opposite side. Installation is now complete.